Welcome to this no-nonsense guide to using Perplexity. If you're familiar with ChatGPT and Google Gemini but unsure where Perplexity fits into your AI toolkit, this video is for you. Imagine AI tools on a spectrum. On one end, we have ChatGPT and Gemini, designed for high brainpower, creative tasks. On the other, tools like Perplexity and Google Search excel at delivering accurate, real-time information. And, of course, in a category of its own, there's Reddit, the internet's undisputed source of subjective truth. For brainstorming, editing, and writing, where factual accuracy isn't crucial, ChatGPT and Gemini shine. However, when you need reliable answers, like deciding on health supplements or troubleshooting tech issues, Perplexity is your best bet. A notable feature in Perplexity's settings is the ability to exclude your data from training while still accessing your conversation history under the Library tab. This ensures both privacy and convenience. A common myth needs debunking: buying Perplexity Pro does not grant access to other paid AI tools like ChatGPT. While you can select similar models, Perplexity applies unique fine-tuning optimized for accuracy, speed, and a search-oriented approach. Simply put, selecting the same model doesn't mean the experience will be identical. Under the Profile tab, the Self-Introduction section works similarly to ChatGPT's custom instructions. Any preferences you set here apply to all future conversations. For example, you can specify, structure responses like a consultant. Use a conversational tone. Simplify language. Set this up once, and Perplexity will always tailor its responses to your style. If you're feeling lazy, I've linked my custom instructions and favorite productivity prompts below. The Focus feature refines search results based on source type. This drastically improves answer quality. Real-time news? Search the entire web. Health queries? Focus on academic sources. Gym workouts? Look at social platforms. How to videos? Search video content. For creative writing, Perplexity offers a dedicated writing mode. However, in my experience, ChatGPT and Gemini perform significantly better for these tasks. While free users can only upload PDFs, not images, a workaround is converting images to PDFs before uploading. Let's say you're struggling to force a Wi-Fi connection at a Marriott hotel on your iPhone. Searching across the web, Perplexity gathers data from Apple's Help Center, Marriott support, and even Reddit. Instead of clicking through multiple Google links, you receive a clear, step-by-step solution up front. For reference, if a public Wi-Fi login page doesn't appear, simply type example.com into your browser. This forces the login screen to pop up. Additionally, Perplexity provides supplementary information, such as relevant YouTube videos, for better troubleshooting. Let's compare Perplexity to Google. If I search country with the most gold medals in the most recent Olympics, Google, the first few links show historical data, not the latest Olympic results. I had to scroll down to the fifth link to get the right answer. Perplexity instantly provides the correct answer, plus trivia about the tie between the US and China in the most recent Summer Games. A fairer comparison might be Perplexity versus Google's AI overviews. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on that. Collections allow you to save research and apply custom AI prompts to an entire topic. Here's how I use it. I'm planning a trip to Japan and want to avoid peak tourist seasons. I save my query into a collection named Trip to Japan. I add an AI prompt. Assume the role of a seasoned travel agent. Prioritize local experiences and hidden gems. Now, every search within this collection follows these tailored instructions. You can do the same for structured research, like generating presentation outlines using consulting frameworks. To manage collections, go to the Library tab. You can edit collections anytime by clicking the three-dot menu. Perplexity isn't perfect. For example, I asked both ChatGPT and Perplexity to brainstorm thumbnail ideas for this video. ChatGPT, more creative and relevant suggestions. Perplexity, less imaginative responses. For now, ChatGPT and Gemini remain superior for high brainpower creative tasks, while Perplexity focuses on accuracy. I personally use Perplexity Pro, but most users will be fine with the free version. The main benefits of Pro include preferred models for text and image generation, for example, the popular Flux model. Pro Search, up to 600 uses per day versus just 5 for free users, which pulls from more sources and provides more detailed answers. Page creation generates entire blog posts based on your prompt, which can be published in the Discover tab, similar to a news feed. Personally, I don't read AI-generated articles often. Labs Playground, a testing ground for developers to experiment with Perplexity's large language models before integrating them into applications. Perplexity is a powerful tool that excels in delivering accurate, source-backed answers quickly. It's best suited for factual queries, research, and real-time information retrieval, while ChatGPT and Gemini remain superior for creative tasks. If you found this guide helpful, check out my playlist where I simplify complex AI topics for beginners. See you in the next video.